Hey Glam fam, are you rocking those magnetic lashes? You know I am, but keeping them clean after endless eye looks takes a lot of TLC. I'm Ann McFerrin, the founder of Glamnetic, and today I'm giving you the ultimate magnetic lash care guide. So get ready for sparkly clean lashes that last. Up first, removal. Here's how to properly remove your lashes. To take them off, you just need to pull the lashes from the outer corner and lift. Then pull gently across the strip. It's that easy. Next, this cleaning method is classic and convenient. All you need is a makeup remover and Q-tips. Dip that tip in your favorite remover. I use our Wipe Off Makeup Remover, which is like my secret sauce to removal. It's a skin cleanser, a toner, and a makeup remover all in one that gives your skin extra hydration without the toxic chemicals. It removes my waterproof makeup easily and is gentle for all skin types. Gently rub each lash magnet with a Q-tip until the residue is gone. No matter what, always be gentle with your lashes. Rough housing can loosen the magnet or damage the delicate fibers. Treat them like the luxe lash royalty they are. Now, let's talk longevity. When you're not wearing your lashes, be sure to store them properly. Keep them in their case, protected from dust and damage. Storing them flat in their original packaging will help maintain their shape and gorgeous curl. There you have it. With these cleaning and removal tips, your magnetic lashes will be sparkling clean and sticking strong. Remember, a little lash love goes a long way. So pamper those lashes and keep slaying those eye looks. Please ask your questions and share your favorite tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more lash loving tips and tricks. Until next time, stay magnetic, stay glam, and stay gorgeous.